Hey drivers, want to turn your car into a time-saving, problem-solving zone? I've got 30 crazy useful Amazon gadgets that boost comfort and save you serious minutes without breaking the bank. And trust me, one last surprise gadget near the end will blow your mind. Stay tuned. Number 1. Foldable Portable Car Ramp. This foldable portable car ramp is lightweight. Foldable ramp makes vehicle maintenance a breeze by providing a safe, stable incline to drive or push your car onto for repairs or tire changes. It solves the common problem of bulky, cumbersome ramps that are hard to store and transport. What makes this gadget stand out? Its portability and ease of use. When folded, it takes up minimal space in your garage or trunk. Plus, its sturdy construction supports most vehicles. Thousands of DIY enthusiasts swear by this ramp because it saves time and effort, turning vehicle maintenance from a chore into a quick task. Number 2. Flexible Seat Organizer Pockets. Let's talk about the flexible seat organizer pockets, your secret weapon for a clutter-free car. These versatile pockets attach easily to your seat or console, creating extra storage space for your phone, snacks, chargers, or sunglasses. The key benefit? They keep your essentials within reach and your car tidy. No more loose items rolling around on the floor or getting lost in the back seat. Plus, their flexible design fits most seats and setups. Thousands of drivers love how these organizers make every trip smoother, helping you stay organized even during the busiest mornings. Number 3. Car Scuff Finger Guard Film. The Car Scuff Finger Guard Film is an innovative solution for protecting your car's interior from scratches and scuffs. It's a transparent, adhesive film that you place over high-contact areas like door handles or armrests, preventing damage from fingernails or rings. What's the biggest benefit? It's a quick, affordable way to preserve your car's look and resale value. It's easy to install and virtually invisible, so it doesn't affect your interior aesthetics. Car owners who want to keep their vehicle looking pristine for years swear by this film because it keeps the interior looking fresh. Number 4. Travel Shoe and Boot Protector. The Travel Shoe and Boot Protector is designed to keep dirt, mud, and moisture contained. Simply slide your shoes into this protective bag, and it prevents dirt from spreading inside your car or luggage. It's perfect for trips, outdoor adventures, or daily commutes. The key benefit? It keeps your car clean and odor-free. No more worrying about muddy shoes ruining your clean car interior or transferring dirt to your clothes. Many travelers and commuters use this product daily because it saves time cleaning and keeps everything tidy, making travel less stressful and more enjoyable. Number 5. Adjustable Seatbelt Cushion. The adjustable seatbelt cushion offers comfort during long drives or daily commutes. It attaches easily to your seatbelt strap, providing soft padding where it contacts your shoulder or neck. What's the main benefit? It reduces discomfort and fatigue, so you arrive at your destination feeling refreshed. It's especially helpful for those with sensitive skin or shoulder pain. Thousands of drivers swear by this cushion because it makes every trip more comfortable, turning a necessary safety feature into a pleasant part of your drive. Number 6. Anti-Slip Dashboard Sticky Pad. The Anti-Slip Dashboard Sticky Pad is a must-have for keeping your phone, keys, or loose change in place while driving. This silicone pad sticks securely to your dashboard or center console and provides a non-slip surface to hold your items safely, even during sharp turns or bumpy roads. The key benefit? It keeps your essentials accessible and prevents distractions. You can easily grab your phone for navigation without worrying about it slipping away. Many drivers rely on this sticky pad daily because it enhances safety and convenience, making every journey more relaxed and organized. Number 7. Trash Can for Car Garbage. The trash can for car garbage is essential for maintaining a clean, odor-free vehicle. This compact, leak-proof bin fits neatly in your cup holder or door pocket, providing a designated spot for wrappers, tissues, or snack debris. It solves the common problem of trash cluttering up your car interior. What makes it stand out? Its easy-to-clean design and portability. You can take it out and empty it quickly, keeping your car tidy without much effort. Thousands of drivers love how this simple gadget transforms their driving experience by eliminating trash messes. Number 8. Vent-Mounted Cup Holder. The vent-mounted cup holder is a game-changer for those who need extra space for drinks. This adjustable holder clips securely onto your air vent, freeing up space on your center console or door. It accommodates bottles, cans, or travel mugs, preventing spills during your drive. The key benefit? Convenience and spill protection. You'll never have to worry about your drink tipping over or taking up valuable space again. Many drivers rely on this gadget for a safer, more organized vehicle, because it keeps your beverage within easy reach and your car mess-free. Number 9. Car Headrest Tablet Holder. The car headrest tablet holder turns your backseat into a mobile entertainment zone. This adjustable mount secures your tablet in front of your passengers, making long trips more enjoyable for kids or adults alike. It's compatible with most tablets and attaches easily to the headrest post. What's the main benefit? It keeps passengers entertained and hands-free, reducing boredom and distractions. Parents especially love how it keeps children occupied during long drives, making trips more peaceful. Thousands of families rely on this gadget to turn travel time into quality time, making every journey more fun and less stressful. Number 10. Portable Candle Scent Car Diffuser. The portable candle scent car diffuser is perfect for creating a relaxing atmosphere inside your vehicle. This small device disperses your favorite essential oil scents, turning your car into a calming oasis. It's USB-powered, making it easy to use during commutes or road trips. Its biggest benefit? It enhances your driving experience by promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Many drivers use this diffuser daily because a pleasant scent can lift your mood and make even traffic jams more bearable. It's a simple way to make your car feel more like your personal sanctuary on wheels. Number 11. Windshield Crack Repair Kit. The Windshield Crack Repair Kit is a must-have for any driver who wants to save money and avoid expensive replacements. This kit contains everything needed to fix small cracks and chips on your windshield, restoring clarity and strength. It's a quick, DIY solution to common damage caused by rocks or debris. What's the key benefit? It prevents the crack from spreading, extending the life of your windshield. It's easy to use, and thousands of drivers have successfully repaired their cracked glass using this kit. Keeping your windshield intact also ensures your safety on the road. Number 12. Adjustable Steering Wheel Lock. The adjustable steering wheel lock provides security against theft. This sturdy lock attaches to your steering wheel, preventing it from turning or being stolen. It's simple to install and adjust, making it a practical addition to your vehicle's security system. The main benefit? Peace of mind. Knowing your car is protected from theft, especially when parked in public areas, makes every owner sleep easier. Many drivers rely on this lock as a cost-effective way to safeguard their vehicle, because a secure car is a stress-free car. Number 13. Digital Tire Tread Depth Reader. The Digital Tire Tread Depth Reader is essential for maintaining safe driving conditions. This compact device quickly measures the tread depth of your tires, alerting you when they're worn out and need replacing. It helps prevent blowouts or poor traction caused by low tread. What's the biggest benefit? It promotes safer driving and extends tire life by helping you stay on top of maintenance. Many drivers use this gadget routinely, especially before long trips or during seasonal tire changes. It's a small investment that can prevent accidents and save money on premature tire replacements. Number 14. Backseat Rectangular Napkin Holder. The backseat rectangular napkin holder keeps tissues or wipes organized in your vehicle. Its sleek design fits neatly in the backseat armrest or door pocket, providing easy access for spills, allergies, or messes. It solves the problem of cluttered, hard-to-reach tissue packs. The key benefit? Convenience and cleanliness. You can quickly grab a tissue without rummaging through clutter, making mess cleanup faster. Parents and busy drivers love how this holder keeps things tidy on the go, turning chaos into order and saving time during hectic days. Number 15. Car Power Inverter with USB. The Car Power Inverter with USB ports is your mobile power source. It plugs into your vehicle's cigarette lighter socket and converts your car's DC power into AC outlets and USB ports, perfect for charging laptops, tablets, or other electronics on the road. It solves the problem of dead batteries or lack of charging options during long drives. What's the main benefit? It keeps all your devices powered up, so you can work, stream, or stay connected without interruption. Many road warriors rely on this inverter daily because it turns your car into a mobile office or entertainment hub. Number 16. Seatbelt Comfort Clip. The Seatbelt Comfort Clip is a simple yet effective gadget for reducing seatbelt discomfort. It clips onto your seatbelt strap, distributing pressure more evenly across your shoulder and chest. It's especially helpful for those with sensitive skin or who experience chafing from the seatbelt. The biggest benefit? Enhanced comfort during every drive. No more irritation or soreness, making your commute more pleasant. Thousands of drivers who spend hours on the road use this clip to make safety feel a lot more comfortable, because a comfortable driver is a safer driver. Number 17. Removable Car Seat Protector. The removable car seat protector is a lifesaver for protecting your car's upholstery from spills, dirt, and pet hair. This waterproof cover fits over your seat and is easy to remove and clean. It's perfect for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants to keep their car interior looking new. The key benefit? It saves time on cleaning and preserves your car's value. No more worrying about stains or pet messes, just remove and wash. Many drivers rely on this seat protector daily because it keeps their car tidy and fresh, making every trip less stressful and more enjoyable. Number 18. Foldable Car Picnic Table. The foldable car picnic table transforms your back seat into an outdoor dining space. This portable, foldable table attaches easily to the back of your front seats, providing a flat surface for snacks, drinks, or work. It's perfect for road trips, outdoor events, or quick meals on the go. What's the main advantage? Convenience and fun. It turns a boring car ride into a picnic experience, making travel more social and enjoyable. Families and outdoor enthusiasts love how this gadget enhances their trips, creating memorable moments on the road. Number 19. Smart Car Battery Charger. The Smart Car Battery Charger is a must-have for anyone who wants to avoid being stranded with a dead battery. This intelligent charger detects battery status and delivers the optimal charge, ensuring your battery stays healthy. It's compatible with most vehicles and easy to use. The biggest benefit? Reliability starts every time. It prevents the frustration of jump-starting or replacing batteries prematurely. Thousands of drivers trust this charger because it prolongs battery life and saves money, turning a potential roadside emergency into a quick fix. Number 20. Retractable Sunglasses Holder. The retractable sunglasses holder clips onto your visor or dashboard, providing a safe spot to store your shades when not in use. It keeps sunglasses from sliding around or getting scratched, ensuring they're always ready when the sun shines. It solves the problem of misplaced or damaged sunglasses. What's the benefit? Easy access and protection for your shades. No more digging through compartments or losing your favorite pair. Many drivers love how this simple gadget keeps their sunglasses organized, making every sunny day more convenient and stylish. Number 21. Car Air Freshener Gel Odor Eliminator. The Car Air Freshener Gel Odor Eliminator is a quick way to keep your vehicle smelling fresh. This gel formula absorbs and neutralizes odors from smoking, pets, or food, leaving your car smelling clean and inviting. It's compact enough to place discreetly under seats or in vents. The key benefit? It improves the overall driving environment. A fresh-smelling car makes every trip more pleasant, especially during long commutes or errands. Thousands of drivers rely on this product daily because a clean scent boosts mood and comfort, making your car feel like a sanctuary. Number 22. In-channel side window deflectors. The in-channel side window deflectors are designed to improve airflow and reduce wind noise. These sleek, aerodynamic deflectors clip into your window channels, allowing you to crack your windows for fresh air without rain or bugs entering. They're perfect for hot days or freshening up your ride. What's the main advantage? Comfort and ventilation. They help keep your car cool and dry while reducing noise and turbulence. Many drivers love how these deflectors make their drives more enjoyable, especially during summer, because they enhance comfort without sacrificing style. Number 23. Car Seat Cooling Gel Cover. The Car Seat Cooling Gel Cover offers instant relief during hot days. The gel-infused cover stays cool to the touch, providing a refreshing seat surface that reduces sweating and discomfort. It's compatible with most seats and easy to install. What's the benefit? Comfort and temperature regulation. It keeps you cool and focused, even on sweltering days. Thousands of drivers rely on this gel cover for a more comfortable ride, because a cool seat can make all the difference in reducing fatigue and stress on long drive. Number 24. Universal Emergency Hammer. The Universal Emergency Hammer is a safety essential. This compact tool features a hardened steel tip for breaking glass and a seatbelt cutter for emergencies. It's designed to be easily accessible in case of accidents or submersion. The biggest benefit? Safety and peace of mind. Having this tool within reach can be life-saving in critical moments. Many drivers keep it in their glove box or door pocket because it's an affordable, reliable safety device that makes every journey a little safer for you and your loved one. Number 25. Tire Valve Stem Cap LED Lights. The Tire Valve Stem Cap LED lights add a fun and functional touch to your wheels. These caps screw onto your tire valve stems and light up with LED lights when you drive. They improve visibility at night and add a stylish look to your car. What's the main advantage? Safety and style. They help others see your vehicle in low-light conditions, reducing the risk of accidents. Many car enthusiasts love these caps because they combine practicality with eye-catching design, making your car stand out even at night. Number 26. Baby Car Seat Rear View Mirror. The Baby Car Seat Rear View Mirror is a must-have for parents. It attaches to your seat's headrest, allowing you to see your baby or toddler in the rear-facing seat without turning around. It's adjustable and crystal clear, making safety and convenience a priority. What's the benefit? Peace of mind during every drive. You can monitor your little one easily, ensuring they're safe and comfortable. Thousands of parents rely on this mirror daily because it makes every trip less stressful, giving you a clear view and extra confidence behind the wheel. Number 27. Silicone Key Fob Protector. The silicone key fob protector shields your car key from scratches, dirt, and damage. These snug-fitting covers are flexible, durable, and waterproof, keeping your key in pristine condition. It solves the problem of key wear and tear over time. The biggest benefit? Longevity and style. Your key remains looking new longer, and the silicone protects against accidental drops or spills. Many drivers love these protectors because they keep their keys functional and attractive, making every day a little easier. Number 28. Car Roof Rack Tie-Down Straps. The car roof rack tie-down straps are designed to secure large or bulky items on your roof rack. Made from durable, weather-resistant material, they tighten tightly around your cargo, preventing shifting or falling during transit. They solve the problem of unstable loads. What's the main benefit? Safety and peace of mind. You can transport bikes, luggage, or equipment securely, knowing they won't come loose. Many outdoor lovers and travelers rely on these straps because they make hauling gear safer and more straightforward, giving you confidence for every adventure. Number 29. All-Weather Trunk Mat. The all-weather trunk mat is essential for protecting your car's cargo area from dirt, water, and spills. Made from heavy-duty, waterproof material, it fits snugly into your trunk or cargo space. It's perfect for shopping trips, outdoor adventures, or messy projects. What's the benefit? Ease of cleaning and protection. Just remove, shake, or wipe down the mat to keep your trunk looking like new. Thousands of drivers love this product because it saves time on cleaning and helps preserve their vehicle's resale value, making every journey hassle-free. Number 30. Sun Visor Document Organizer. Last but not least, the Sun Visor Document Organizer offers a quick way to keep your important papers organized. This compact organizer attaches easily to your sun visor, holding registration, insurance, or maps in one tidy place. It prevents clutter and keeps essentials accessible. What's the benefit? Convenience and peace of mind. You'll always know where your documents are during roadside stops or emergencies. Many drivers depend on this organizer daily because it simplifies their driving life, turning chaos into order and making every trip smoother. Thanks for cruising with me. If these gadgets helped you save time and make your drives easier, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out that final surprise. It's a game changer. See you next time.